What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. In today's video, we're checking out the Vankyo X200 True Wireless Earbuds. Current price on these is 45 bucks on Amazon. And at the moment, they do have some coupon codes available, which will make them closer to around 30 bucks. So after you watch this video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, feel free to check out the affiliate links down in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. So I have tested out some Vankyo products in the past, and I've always been impressed with the overall quality that they bring to the table. So I gladly accepted when they offered to send over these earbuds for my honest opinion. So stay tuned, we're going to cover all the details. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Also, if there's something specific that you want to know about these earbuds, feel free to check out the timestamps in the description as well. So inside the box, you're going to get the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also getting a micro USB charging cable, some additional silicone ear tips, and of course your usual paperwork and instructions. Taking a look at the charging case, the first thing that you notice is the overall build quality. It's extremely well built and you can feel it. It's actually made out of metal instead of your usual plastic, so it has a little bit of weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. As you can see, you've got some branding there on the lid, and on the front of the case, it actually has a digital readout to let you know your battery percentage, which is super convenient. And then on the side of the charging case, it has your micro USB charging port. So yes, unfortunately, this does have micro USB and not USB Type C. Once you open up the case, you can see the earbuds sit inside like so. Pretty simple setup. You can see you got the blue colorway that continues all the way throughout. Taking a look at the earbuds, I would say that they're medium in size. You got the same blue color that we saw with the charging case. And then on the side of the earbuds, you've got a circular touch surface, which is what you're going to use to control your music. You also have an LED indicator light located towards the bottom of that circle. Overall, it's a pretty similar design compared to some of the other earbuds we've seen on the channel, although the blue color does help it stand out. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0 and you are able to use either earbud independently. So if you have both of them in your ears, you're able to swap them back and forth in and out of the charging case without any interruptions to your music. You're definitely getting a nice stable connection. I've been able to use them around the main level of my house, which is about 900 to 1,000 square feet, and I haven't had any issues with dropped connections. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 7 hours from the earbuds on a single charge, and the charging case actually has a 3500 milliamp battery capacity, which is going to give you a total of 120 hours of listening time. These also have an IPX8 water resistant rating, which is definitely going to make these safe to wear to the gym. So if you want to wear them while you're working out, while you're outdoors, if they happen to get wet, you're not going to have any issues. In fact, if you drop them in a pool of water, as long as they're not in the water for an extended amount of time, these are going to hold up just fine. As far as watching videos and movies, there isn't any noticeable latency or audio lag with your usual YouTube or Netflix, but let's go ahead and do a test to see how they perform. So as far as the fit with these earbuds, as long as you find the right size ear tips for your ears, you shouldn't have any problems with them staying in place. I think you could definitely use these for the gym or any of your on-the-go activities. For longer sessions, I did find myself having to readjust them from time to time, but it really wasn't anything out of the ordinary. These also give you some pretty standard passive noise cancellation, so they do block out a pretty good amount of outside noise. Also, I found the touch controls to be very responsive and accurate, and they give you full control over your listening experience. So you get your play and pause, you get your track forward as well as your track backward, and you get volume controls as well as your voice assistant. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So these are claiming HD stereo sound with deep bass, and they definitely meant it when they said deep bass because that is the star of the show. So if you like deep rumbling sub bass, I do think you'll like the sound on these. The mids and highs are pretty decent as well, but I do feel like they take a back seat to the bass. Personally, I love bass, and when these earbuds are at max volume, Playing a song with some really intense bass can even be a little bit much for me. So if you absolutely love bass, I do think you'll love the sound on these. But if you're more so the type of person that prefers overall clarity or overall detail in your music, these might not be your best bet. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Vankyo X200 True Wireless Earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so we got some simulated crowd noise being played on a speaker. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. So overall for the price, I do think these are a solid pair of earbuds. You're getting some great build quality, great battery life, and some pretty good sound to go along with it. The one downside would be the micro USB charging, so it would be nice to get an updated version with USB Type-C. So again, if you're interested in grabbing a pair of these, feel free to check out the affiliate links down in the description. Also, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.